Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you Go Tell Aunt Rhody. It's from our new book called 21 Easy Ukulele Folk Songs. Go Tell Aunt Rhody is kind of a lullaby, and it's kind of a children's song. It's really very beautiful. In this particular song, in the key of C, I use three chords: a C chord, a G7, and an F. I also do the song in the key of F because that's a comfortable key for chord melody on the ukulele, and it's also a comfortable key for singing. And in that key, I use an F chord, a C7 chord, and the B flat. I bar these two strings here with my first finger. I put my second finger here on the second string in the second fret, and my third finger on the third string in the third fret. Strumming pattern I'm going to use for both versions is down, down, up, down, down, up. Slow song, so it's fairly easy. There will be melody tab for both versions, the F and the C. Thanks so much and enjoy. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go, go tell her now. Go tell Aunt Rhody, old gray goose has gone. If you can find him, tell her just go down. If you can find him, tell her stay. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go, go tell her now. Go tell Aunt Rhody, old gray goose has gone. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go, go tell her now. Go tell Aunt Rhody, old gray goose has gone. If you can find him, tell her just go down. If you can find him, tell her stay. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go, go tell her now. Go tell Aunt Rhody, old gray goose has gone. Enjoy. If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.